Alright, we got a customer ordering this lamp. Just this one, last one we shipped out, was this lamp. Wasn't working. She was saying something with these wires. We haven't tested this one yet, but we will. Just busy at the shop. So we're unboxing it for the customer before we check it out. And if you can see, brand new in a wrapper. This is how the setup is. The wires are out. That's how they do it. Let's look for the batteries. So look for AA batteries. Two batteries, and you can see the lights working great. There's a switch, turn it off. And you can see this one here is ready for shipment to our customer. We apologize for the last one. This one works, as you can see. So there's our proof that this lantern is working. This is what she returned back to us. Let's see what's going on with this one. So we can see what the customer returned back to us. I got double layers right here. Some double A's right here. Yeah, this one is not working. Looks like the black wire here fell off the board here, but put this back, and this is what the customer's getting. Light works like a charm. So this one is ready for shipment once you place the order. Like I said, we're limited on these. We got 8 left, so if you guys want to order it fast, because it's going out fast.